So today we're cleaning the chain of this Venom X22R. It's pretty simple. We're just gonna use this engine or chain degreaser, chain lube, some water, and what else? A little brush. I think we're gonna use a dirty rag and that pan over there. If you don't wanna do a disaster on your floor. So we have to make sure the bike is lit. At that point, we're able to spin the wheel. I think I'm gonna turn on this bike and I'm gonna put it on first gear. And from there, I'm gonna start working. I'm gonna use the degreaser. Okay, right there. I think I have a metal brush. That's all right. Okay. Now, can you use the water? We have to be super careful with this one. We don't want to cut our finger or something or having an accident. So just fold your rag a little bit like this. Make sure nothing gets with the sprocket. And then you just clean it. Right here. Nothing happened. And now we're gonna put the chain lube on it. I think I put this one right here. And now we're just gonna have to put a little bit of tension on the chain, and that will be all. Yeah. Okay. Perfect, perfect. Now we will set it in. That's it. This little guy over here is gonna help me. And that's it. This is ready.